Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Riley from FixPectus.com, and in today's video what I wanted to talk about is why form is so important when we're training for Pectus. Okay, I have a lot of people message me who say they're doing exercises and they're not seeing results, and typically it comes down to three things. One, that they're not paying attention to the nutrition. Two, they're not actually following a proper program with the right exercises, progressive overload and being consistent. And three, maybe they are following the right nutrition, they are following the right program, but they do not have the right form, therefore they're not getting the most bang for their buck. They might even injure themselves, or they're not going to recruit the muscle fibers. Okay, so this is super important. I always talk about this to all my clients. It's really important that we get good form, especially when we're doing like Pectus specialized movements, some unilateral movements that are designed to build muscle around the indent. It's really important that we have good form in these movements. So I wanted to really stress that in this video and show you some examples that really exemplify just how important form is.
So an example of this is the one arm low dumbbell fly. Now this movement, when done incorrectly, you basically feel nothing, you get no engagement in the chest and nothing happens. When you do it right, when you slow it down and you squeeze, as you can see in the footage of me doing it here, and you really squeeze across and you feel in that indentation, you feel in the separation of the two pecs, right in that midline of your pecs, you feel the muscle fibers coming across and squeezing, and you slow it down and you really have a good mind to muscle connection. You keep your elbows tight, so we're always engaging our chest and we're coming across our body versus just straight out in front. You will engage your chest, you will engage the fibers in and around the indent so much, okay? But if you do not do this right, you will feel nothing. You will get no benefit, no muscular development, nothing. So this is one of those movements where it's either going to be amazing or it's going to do nothing. And so it's just an example of how important form is. And it really is so important, guys, that you get this right, because otherwise you're just wasting your time and you're not going to see those changes, you know. So it's really important you start implementing great form on these Pectus specialized exercises, okay? I'm going to show you another example now.
So just like the one arm low dumbbell fly, it's the same principles with the plate squeeze and press, with right form to get the right muscle activation and therefore, you know, build the muscles around your pectus, build the inner chest fibers to make your pectus, because that's so key and that's something a lot of people struggle with, okay? And that's my job to help you guys do that, okay? So this movement here is really good at activating those fibers right around your indent. So what we want to do is it's literally 2.5 kilo plates, squeezing them together and pressing, okay? And you should really see the fibers around my indent activating with this form. Now the thing is, I could do this movement without tension, and it's super easy, okay? And you can see that there's not really much activation, but if I slow it down, I squeeze, I keep my elbows tight to really engage my inner chest, the whole movement changes and it becomes really challenging. So that's just an example of how important good form is for training for Pectus. I really want you guys to have a takeaway from this video of just how important form is. I really want you to start implementing better form when you're training, a better mind to muscle connection, especially on those inner chest focused movements. If you are noticing that you are not getting the right activation, that you are not seeing development in your inner chest, it's probably due to form. Also, what I wanted to offer to you guys in this video is a free week trial of my membership site, because my membership site has a video tutorial of me doing every single exercise that I recommend to my clients, okay? And that way you can see me doing each exercise with the right form, a tutorial running you through exactly how to do them so you know how to do them properly, okay? So you can get a free week trial for that, and you also get a free workout that you can try, a Pectus specialized workout that you can try out. So if you're interested in that, it will be a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. And if you aren't subscribed to the PectusPT YouTube channel, do subscribe, because I will be posting more Pectus related content here. I'm about to turn this carport that I have at my house into a garage very soon to train, like a gym garage. So I'll be able to get heaps of training content here. Right now there's kids and birds and annoying background noises that make filming videos quite challenging. So that's probably the lack of content right now, but still no excuses. Rather get out content and it not be perfect. It's never going to be perfect. There's always going to be something wrong. So yeah, that's just a little update about where I am in my life as well. Sweet. Thanks guys.